Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understanding your current storage situation is crucial. Open your Settings app on your device and tap your profile name at the top. Then select iCloud and check your storage status to see exactly how much space you're using and what's taking up the most room. Step 2. Start by optimizing your photo library immediately. Enable iCloud Photos and turn on Optimize iPhone Storage, which automatically keeps lower resolution versions on your device while storing full quality images in the cloud. This frees up tons of local space without losing anything. Step 3. Delete unnecessary backups right away. Go into iCloud Settings, tap Manage Storage, and review your device backups. Remove any old backup files from devices you no longer use, as these can consume gigabytes of space unnecessarily. Step 4. Clean up your mail trash and deleted items folder. Navigate to Mail in Settings and find your archived or deleted emails. These messages still take up iCloud storage space, so permanently removing them is essential. Step 5. Finally, enable automatic archiving and use iCloud's smart features. Turn on Mail's archive function, enable document and data optimization in iCloud Settings, and consider enabling reduced media quality for backups. These settings automatically manage your storage more efficiently going forward and keep everything optimized for maximum capacity.